Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends wherever you're watching me from. See, guys, how you guys doing? It has been a while. Yeah, this is your sister, your friend. This is Agape Love TV. Yes, so my people. The matter don't settle. It don't happen. Now, who go fit help us settle this matter? Yes, my people. Matter dey. Who go fit help us settle this matter? This agbange matter will just happen now. So my people, without wasting your time, as I say don't set. So get one matter wey dey run now for social media. So we dey find who go fit settle the matter for us. So concerning one man and his wife. So the matter be say one man can open fake account. Make I talk the matter the way it be. So one man open fake account, come the chat with his wife. For some times, the wife no know say na the husband, my people. So they come begin the chat. Although the woman let the guy know say in a married woman. Say all these things, all these chats are for fun, understand? So my people, to the extent, this woman go dey send the guy credit head time, they send am money self. Even he go ask his husband money, he go send am to the guy. Now go join this matter, me go see tell una how me still judge my own, but una go contribute, me not still judge una own. Me go see talk my own, the way I tell judge put for the matter. So for some weeks they chat, this woman they chat with this guy for Facebook, this strange guy for Facebook. So they come they chat to the extent. So they come they chat to the extent. This sorry guys, this they come. Now normal talk before, according to the chatting, they just the chat normal gisting, but later on they come switch to another understand now. They can't change the matter can't change. So as the matter can't change, they can't begin to talk about sex and other things. So based on that, they can't book appointments for each other. The strange guy can't let the woman, he can't tell the woman, say this appointment as the one before they go meet, say for 1 week, he no want make the woman they go Jerusalem with the oga, with the man of the house. Say make the woman not they go Jerusalem for 1 week before they meet. Say he want meet the woman for fresh, fresh. He want chop the ample fresh. So he no want make the woman go Jerusalem again with his husband. So my people, so you know say, so you can't say okay, really, if this oga, this woman husband want go Jerusalem, the woman go say he no go gree make he go Jerusalem. Say he no where. So he can't they like avoid the man. He no where. Can't reach 1 week. The very day where the one in with the new guy, one in with the strange guy, one go meet. My people, now say what happen. It's Rebecca. Now yoga, your husband. Now he come meet. My people. Now the matter I would settle for Facebook so. I'll say I need to bring this matter come table too. Make my people judge the matter. Now the woman be like a bodondon, as in it's like make the ground open, may enter inside. You don't know what thing you want to do again. Now my question is they right? What did this man do? We open fake account, take tempt wife. Is they right or wrong? And for the woman, is they right or wrong for accepting, like, no, accepting as a married woman where she claims say she be, is they right to the chat with a guy and the chatting as a friend? No, is they right for me? Is they right? You can chat with a guy, make friend. Now it's social media, but where as a married woman, when you know say the matter don't change to love matter concerning I want chop your apple, that you go screenshot for me. Oh, na so I take judge my own case for my people. And to the extent you can't dey carry the guy, the husband money, go dey give strange guy. He go talk lie, say na so his family need money, na. He go collect the money. The husband go give am money. He go send the money, go give the guy. And who does that, my people? For me, the woman did a very wrong thing. If maybe say you want chop guy money, that one a different case. Say, guy, I want chop this guy money. And this one be say, you even let the guy know say you are doing this for fun, not that there's no feeling, you don't have any feeling for him, but you are sending him money. For me, the woman did very wrong. If maybe say na money he want a strut from that guy, we go dey hear am. So this one not be say na money they find, he dey collect from his husband self, go dey give the guy. At the same time, you come now, you the guy want come chop your apple. I don't know if these things still exist. If now because of money, now it's okay, maybe he want chop the guy money, they not get any business, he just want chop the guy money. But this one, the matter not be like that. Now he devil the same rich airtime money, go they give the same guy, and now he want come go meet the guy. My sister, little she, my brothers and sisters, my people, I'm not only talking to my sisters, my people, little did she know that this very strange person is her husband. So my people, now the matter, what would they settle for Facebook now be this? So now make me still bring this matter come table, make una talk about. So now the short video, why I say make I quickly do for my people, now be this one. So guys, thank you so much. If this today is your first time, you just come across my video and you have been watching my video, you have not subscribed, please just do me a favor and press that red button. Because when you are watching the video and you see it's still showing red by the side, that is to tell you that you have not subscribed. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's grow together, guys, please. So for those my subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. So subscribe and press the notification bell. That bell will always tell you anytime I upload my video. So see you on my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.